This will be the first of many, how do I say it, senior developer posts that I'm going to be putting up on the web, where I'm going to be discussing about the fundamental advantages of proper web technology and implementing those technologies. So the first thing I want to touch on today is a brand new technology that I just recently acquired, and I think this is probably going to revolutionize the way we look at web interfaces and proper web coding standards, and it is the proper usage of cascading style sheets. Now, for senior developers like myself, we refer to it as CSS, the abbreviation, and I'm going to be spending the next couple of episodes discussing the core benefits of using CSS. I find that since I started using it, I've actually not had to use frame sets anymore. Tables are almost a thing of the past, but I'm finding it difficult to transition from frame sets and tables to using this brand new element called a div. But I think that we can touch on divs in a later episode once I've acquired the appropriate knowledge to do that. CSS has made things amazing for me so far, in the sense that, you know, I can now apply a background color to more than one element using what is known as a class. I can target specific elements on my page or specific table cells with an ID if you don't want to use duplicates or duplicate name conventions and stuff and things like that. So like for instance the background, and then a brand new parameter that I've also just recently acquired, setting the width and the height. Now, in later episodes, once I've acquired the proper knowledge of what a div actually is and how it needs to be used, I've stumbled upon the ability to set the width and the height of a div, as well as, you know, changing the background color at the same time, all in one line of code, which is amazing. The only concern I have at this given point in time is that I don't really know exactly how to position a div yet. But I have read up briefly, and there's like this positioning attribute which seems phenomenal, and then doing top and left offsets on a div element to put it in a particular position. But again, in later episodes, when I do acquire the proper knowledge for what a div actually is and how to properly assign widths, heights, background colors, and positioning, I think we will be able to see where the true benefit of CSS3 comes in. I can already see it in some websites starting to take a foothold. So if you're new to CSS, which most of us are, I think now would be a good time to jump on the bandwagon and start focusing on CSS3. That means there was a CSS 1 and 2.